Would you like to learn how to make a 2D top-down game using Godot? You are in the right place, and this series will guide you step by step. You will create a 2D top-down farming game with detailed tutorials on how to use tile map layers and create scenes with Y sorting, allowing your player to move seamlessly in front of and behind objects. You will also design tools that let players chop down trees, mine stones, till the soil, and grow crops on your farm. In this series, you will interact with other characters using a dialogue manager. Transitions to see if we have any inputs which we can check against and then transition from one state to
Hmm. The content implementation. I'm here too. I'm not building anything, bhai. I told you na that in our application we are like have a data in what is this like novel editor, but we have to send this data to back to Notion, but Notion doesn't understand HTML. When I click this button, it's sending pure HTML. H1 के अंदर hello, code के अंदर the code, P के P tag के अंदर the paragraph tag. These are draggable, but still it's pure HTML, but Notion doesn't understand HTML, so I have to convert it into a data format which is understood by Notion. So those are called Notion blocks. So now I have to convert HTML to Notion blocks. That is the main thing. And after converting it, I have to also integrate with the Notion into my app with OAuth, and then I can send this data block to Notion. Like if this thing actually works, like converting is easy because there was a preview library. I don't have to think about that much. But after integrating Notion into OAuth with OAuth into my application and sending the data is actually the crucial part. JSON, you can you can say that it's JSON first because I have to go through several steps to convert the HTML into Notion blocks. First, what I'm doing is I'm converting HTML to you can say JSON format. Nah, brother, my English is not that great. I still stutter so much here and there, and I am using phrases here and there. These are very bad practices. If you're talking about pronunciation, then I'll take the credit that I have worked upon, and I'm still working upon my pronunciation. I hope it improves. Once the HTML code is passed into HTML AST, then I have to into MD AST, Markdown. Oof, such a hassle, vibe. After Markdown, then okay, then to Markdown. did you practice English talking or just talk in English with everyone? No, it's not like that, but we used to have sessions like 10 minutes every day. Like before interview in our friend group, we used to have practice like 15 minutes every day. Like this was, 2-3 months ago. But now it's like I am talking, okay, I'm talking. It's normal. I have to talk because if I don't talk, then nobody will understand what I'm trying to say. So, you know, I have to talk. But by the way, MacBook is 56,000 on Amazon. I want to buy it on UMI, but I have a PC and I don't know is it good investment or not. Also, I don't have a credit card. You don't have to have a credit card. Why? I will like recommend you to stay away from credit cards. This is not the age to have a credit card. But by the way, MacBook is 56,000 actually. Wait, let me see. And by the way, you did remind me. I don't, by the way, because of you I remembered that I have to buy something. MacBook M1, right? MacBooks are sold in Amazon. M1s are like discontinued, I think. I won't recommend you to buy M1 at this point of time, but if you have to, then obviously it's a good investment because you will like use it for like max to max 3 years, because after that you will be getting a job, right? So they will be providing their own laptop. This will be into scrap. Like I'll show you something. Like you can see my battery health is like, wait, my battery health is like 82% after almost 2.5 years. And if it's like falls below 75%, that's a bad sign and I have to replace the battery. And you can see like I started the stream almost 1.5 hours early, and it was like in, if this is 75, this was in 80% mark. From 80% to 28% in just 1.5 hours is really bad. But you have to like consider that my CPU is like taking a very large load. Yep, full cash. I think Mac was like 85,000 at that time, and it was like 1 year old. 1 year old in the sense like the model is 1 year old. The model was launched in 2020, I guess, and I bought it in 2022, so 2 years old. if you have to buy it in EMI, I would recommend this. Would like you won't be needing this. Buy a Mac Mini, no? How much is it? Offer. Shit. Mac Mini. Yeah, buy it. Because after 3 years, you won't be using your laptop, like your own laptop. Which one should I buy? 7-in-1 includes this port. Is it bad to buy M1 Air? I really need a good laptop so I can take it anywhere. No, obviously no. M1 is like a beast. It still is a beast. You can buy it. It's a good investment. Amazon Basics. See how my charge is draining. It was in 28 and it's 24 now. Like after 2 years, the battery is gonna be like that. USB 2.0, HDMI 3.0, Type C. Is it good though? Heat level is high. $2K. Oh fuck, no. $4K at 30 hertz. No. 4K. I need 4K at least 60 hertz. But the whole Mac environment is very developer friendly, is it? So yep, actually. And why not? Like, it's based on Linux, right? Not Linux, it's based on Unix. Mac is like a flavor of Unix. So, and you know Linux is very developer friendly, so Mac is also. HDMI microchip. 1, 2, 3. Heat level is okay. Functionality. Where? Okay. Hmm. हनीवेल का ही देख लूँ और क्या. I don't understand why other laptops don't design laptops like Mac. I'm not telling them to copy, but still they all look the old traditional way to design. Like Apple's whole, like the image of Apple, the whole brand is based upon design. So what can we say? Apple is Apple. Okay, at what resolution? Connectivity. But there are hundreds of other companies, yet no one has a good design. No, that's not true. Like when HP Spectre was released, it was so damn beautiful. It was released in 2016, I guess. HP Spectre was. This is not the old version. I don't know why my internet is so shit today. Yep, this one. This design was so damn good. Then there's Alienware. Alienware, they have a good design. Tell me, if this isn't a good design, then what is? There are good laptops actually, other than Mac, but they are either built for gaming, or they are not for work. If you for coding, Mac is best. See, you can tell the difference between a Mac and other laptops, but you can tell the difference between two Windows laptops. Yeah, you can say that. I won't, That's the difference. Like Windows run on Intel, right? And Intel runs on x86 architecture, and it's a very power consuming architecture. So obviously, if it's taking a lot of power, it needs to cool down, and for cooling it down, you need fans. If you add fans, then there will be sound. But in Mac, it's on ARM chip. And ARM chip is a very for energy efficient chip, so it doesn't have to do as much work to execute the programs. So that's why it doesn't need that much heat deposition, I guess that's the word. Google is a lot. Infinite glitch, bhai. Infinite charging. Yeah, I guess it's okay. I don't know I should buy this or not. So first answer the first question that I had. Will it support? Answer to that is yes, it does support 100 hertz at display the downloads of the video. As you can see it in screenshot. The problem is when I attach the power source to it, the keyboard on my laptop start giving me issues. I have my Google remote and you can disconnect the laptop, then restart it, then it's working fine, but I have used it for power supply. I guess it's okay. What do you say? Should I buy this? I don't think I'll need this type of ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 in 1. Let's see the 4 in 1. No HDMI. I have to buy this. This is so pricey. Read my previous chat. I did, buddy. Which one are you referring to? This chat actually didn't came. Wait. India is a factor right now. Many countries have built their LLMs, but India has not yet launched its first proper LLM to the world. But we are daydreaming of becoming a superpower. I don't think I'll be able to give you any feedback on that because I don't really know what goes to AI field. But if what you are saying is actually true, then it's concerning. I think I'll have to buy this Honeywell. Okay, everything's well. That's Honeywell. Honeymoon. Honeymoon, where did you find honeymoon? It's fucking 2K, why? Project. Okay, I guess. By the way, you have exams tomorrow, right? सब्जेक्ट कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है? DSA with C. Sure, no pressure. DSA से याद आया, I was like thinking about making an app, DSA buddy type of thing. Very pressure. Tomorrow, Thursday, 5th ko? Yeah, I guess okay, it's okay. But 2K is a lot. I don't have that kind of money. Context of DSA buddy. As you know, like practicing DSA all by alone is very hard. Like एक दिन करोगे, 2 दिन करोगे, after 2 days you will like feel like you shouldn't have to do this. It's so boring. Like in DSA buddy, like it's a motivator type of app where you can progress, like track your progress of DSA practice, and also like ask doubts to the like chatbot how to solve this, daily question solver, like this type of things. चलो कोई नहीं, कर देते हैं. Wait, my internet is connecting. Ah, fuck. I'm doing today. Anyways, it's okay. So where were we? Where were we? Where were we? The markdown string has a format we used. Okay. Then to markdown. then client library to valid Notion API. Okay, let's do this. Let's do the transformation first. Let's make a wrapper. What should we make a wrapper of? HTML to Notion blocks. Where's the utils file? Utils in library. No. Utils. Export default. Convert HTML to Notion block. Data. Acha, did I do this wrong? String, I have to send a string. Hash util from HTML. Okay, no problem. You go now. Let's import this first. HTML is that HASP. I have to make it a string first. I'll just simplify it. No worries.
Oh.
Ah.